welcome back to Ameerah channel. So today guys, we are here in Hudairat Almajilis, okay? Sa Hudairat ulit guys, pero nasa Almajilis guys. So what we are going to do here guys, today is our anniversary guys. Me and Faris 5 years anniversary today, celebrating 5 years anniversary today. So we planned to go outside, but since there is football guys, we come here in Majlis to watch a football match, and today Algeria and Tunisia is going to play. And also the perfect thing guys, there is as well playground here, so Ameerah and Aya can play. Okay, so stay tuned guys, I'll show you how it look inside. Perfect thing guys, there is a playground here for the kids while you are enjoying watching football match. Hi! I'll show you guys inside. We're going inside now. You can choose guys, if you want, you can choose this place. It's a private place. Okay, there is a sofa here, and you're going to have your own TV if you want to choose here. But if you are going to choose guys, you can sit here and you can watch in the big screen here.
استاد البيت المونديالي لمشاهدة في استاد البيت المونديالي. ماذا تترقب وتتوقع في الجزائر بعناصر على مستوى عالي في مرسيدس سعيد؟
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What's that?
Pizza that I tell.
Ameerah excited for her pizza. Aya just wake up. I'm just watching them. Guys, the football is they will extend 30 minutes because the score is 0-0. Okay guys, hold on. Abangan nyo guys kung sinong mananalo. Ito po ay match ng Tunisia versus Algeria. So we are with Algerian guys, okay? So let's see if they're going to win this game. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in guys, and abangan natin guys kung sino ang mananalo. I hope na manalo yung Algeria. Nothing happened. Yay! Bravo! Yay! Yay! Bravo! Wait, what can you say about the game?
The game was good.
Yes, it was good.
Algeria won. Moroccans, they support Algeria, so let's go.
We support Algeria.
It's crazy game guys. Okay Ameerah, let's go. Time to go home. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas to everybody. Bye!